Hello dear and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Google Chrome, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine. To change, we need to go to the settings. And your left, we need to click on search engine. As you can see, the default one is this Google, but if I want to change that, we need to click here. As you can see, there is this Google. By default it is selected. I can change to Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo and Yandex. Let's change from Google to Microsoft Bing and set as default. And if I want to manage search engines and site search, I can just click here. You can see the list of all the search engines: Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo and Yandex. And if I want to edit them, just click here. And also I can just click here to make it default, or you can delete it. Let's click to edit this. So simple, I can change the name. You can see the shortcut is google.com, and as you can see the URL, I can change that as well. So this is how we can change the search engine with Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel.